everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So starting out the day, went ahead and worked on putting in some cover plates with my apprentice. So this was really far off of the wall, as you guys can see here, because it's a cut-in box with a dimmer switch. So it's like a double plate. So it's a really bad scenario. So I had to take everything out, turn the power off, take out the cut-in box, take out the battleships, basically shave the sheetrock a little bit, and indented that a little bit. If you guys want to know how I did that, I'll go over that later in another video. So I shaved the sheetrock, put it back in, I got that all done, and it turned out perfect. And then next I went ahead and worked on changing this single gang to a double gang, or a duplex to a quadplex. So basically, all right, you guys are seeing the video here as we go. But anyways, I basically took a mud ring, traced it out, cut it out, put the new mud ring in, put the devices in, and then held it up and saw that it was flush. Got everything done, put that all back together. Easier said than done. More cover plates up on the TV. So basically, we took out the the cover plates were all stainless steel, so we're putting them all back stainless steel, putting in some brand new cover plates. You still have to relabel all the cover plates, have all that information written down so I can reprint all those back out. Then also worked in the kitchen, still have to put the fire alarm back in. And then still have to work on these 3 switches. They're a little bit out of the wall, so I'm gonna have to shave the sheetrock on those, just because they're boxes on the wall. So I'm basically just gonna shave. There's some extra sheetrock on top of the box, so I'm just gonna shave that. Otherwise, that's as far as I can do on those. I can't really do anything else to fix those problems right there, as far as I'm aware. Anyways, still have to work on adding a GFCI for the refrigerator, and then cutting a box in for that still, but everything is painted. The walls are green on the other 2 walls, and this is still, I think they might have repainted this like a yellowish. Put in the GFCI up there for the under counter light, adding a GFCI here for the microwave and the other microwave, and then did put the clock back in if you guys didn't already see that, and then put in some receptacle cover plates over here. The low voltage people came in and did the data. The other guy put in the TV mount right there for the monitor, and then the other guy was putting in the tiles back in for the ceiling. Still have to change the disconnect switch up there back to permanent power. And then here is the light. We put in the trim, put in the lens, and that all turned out good. So yeah, got a lot done today. Still have to take care of a few more things tomorrow. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It was a long, busy day. Got lots of stuff done, and the day just blew by really fast. Anyways, yeah, did some inventory, writing down some stuff that we need to order for the future. Got some of that stuff taken care of. Figuring out like what colors of wires we need for size 10 and size 12 THN. Other than that, you guys saw the rest of the video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys back in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you later. God bless. Peace.